Video 4, turning riskiest assumptions into hypotheses. When you do the exercise coming up, you'll have identified some risky assumptions about your business. Now you need to quantify what the scope of the risk is so that you can plan mitigating measures. To understand the parameters, definitions, and scope and frame and order of a specific assumption, you need to turn an assumption into a hypothesis. Simply put, a hypothesis is a statement that can be proven or disproven. In order to have a good hypothesis, it needs to fulfill 3 criteria. 1, it must be written in a way that can be proven or disproven. 2, it must be clearly defined and specific. And 3, it should be quantifiable and measurable. Sometimes you might have a yes or no hypothesis, but your goal is to try to make it quantifiable and prove or disprove your hypothesis. The key here is to make sure that the hypothesis makes the goal and constraints clear for an experiment, which will validate your assumption. Here are some examples of assumptions turned into good hypotheses to get you started. An assumption could be, people would sign up more if we put pictures of our last climb online. A good hypothesis would be, at least 50 mountain climbers will sign up to hike Mount Everest with us if we put pictures of our climb online. An assumption could be, our teachers will engage more with the app if you give them points. A good hypothesis would be, our engagement index will improve by 50% if we give teachers points for grading assignments. Going through this exercise will help you set up experiments to test your riskiest assumptions and get as much data as possible to inform a decision you might have to make for your business. Running these small experiments will help you safely eliminate some of the biggest and riskiest assumptions of your business before you have to make bigger decisions in the future.